Hi everyone, Amy here, and I have this box which seems disproportionately large for my order, but I have a haul video today to share with you from Scrapbook.com. So I'm just going to jump right into this box here and show you what I got. I'm not sure why the box is so big. It's a little bit of overkill, but whatever. So you can hear the plastic crinkling in the background. My friend Deb sent me a gift card for Christmas in my Christmas card for Scrapbook.com. So thank you so much, Deb, for that. That went towards these goodies that I got today. So to start, oh, look at this. These stickers were, oh, I thought that was a bug. Ah! I don't know if you saw me jump. It's not a bug. It's a piece of cardboard. Yeah, I don't like bugs. Anyway, these stickers were free with the order. And it looks like really good for Christmas cards. I'll open this up. I don't know if this freebie is still available, but oh, got my little thing in there. Okay, so it looks like it's one page, 27 pieces. So this would be great for making some last minute Christmas cards if I needed to. But I'm going to jump into my order. Like I said, it's not a very big one, but I always like to share what I get. Okay, stacked up on my favorite mint tape. So this is the 1-inch kind. This was the 3-pack. I think it was on sale. Don't quote me on it, but yeah, I use this stuff all the time. It's my favorite. So if you want some mint tape, I recommend Scrapbook.com. Okay, then I got this. It is a LDRS stitched background strips die. So I thought this would be good just to have, you know, with my batching mentality, have a bunch of strips, maybe of white, color cardstock, you know, you name it, with this cool stitched edge feature. And then I can just stamp, you know, my little sentiment strips that don't, you know, come in a full set with their own coordinating die, but just to have, and these would make cool stripe backgrounds too. So, kind of intrigued by this and I wanted it. It's called the 1/2-inch A2 stitched background strips. So it looks like it cuts 3 at a time. And this is, let's see how wide. Get this little jobber out. Okay, looks like it's 5.5. Okay, so it will go the full length of an A2 size panel, or shorter, obviously, if you cut it down. So it doesn't have the stitched on this side, it just has it on this orientation. Okay, so I got that. Then I got this. I love these. You may have seen me use. I got a couple other recently, but this is Picket Fence Studio, and this is Marvelously You. So it cuts out all these letters on this strip. So it's a really easy way to apply it to a card. Obviously, I'd be using likely my Artist Hack micro dots with this just because it is a little delicate, but I thought that was kind of a cool, fun, different sentiment. This was free again, so I don't know if they still have this, but if they do, jump on it. It was free, so I'll have this to give to somebody else at some point. So you may have seen I already have one of these, but these are great for shakers because it'll cut out the background and then this cuts out the border. So again, you may have seen cards that I've made with this. I'm just going to put that in a pile for giving to someone else. These I'm excited about. So these are going to cut out, looking at this here, I was thinking it was 2 dies, but I guess it's not. So this is going to cut out like an outline around these. Hello, thanks, celebrate. Maybe I'll run one through second through my die cutting machine so I can show you what that looks like. But hello, thanks, and celebrate. These are Scrapbook. And then this one is you, miss, love. So you could do miss you, love you. Nice combination. And these are a good size. I really liked the size of this. So this is about 2.5 inches long on the U and about, I don't know, nearly 1.5 inches high. So good size letters. Like I said, I'll run one through real quick on the die cutting machine so we can see what they look like. And then this shape dies Look at these. Well, these are bigger than I imagined, but I find myself wishing that I had bigger snowflake dies when I'm making my Christmas cards and I want to kind of add an embellishment on or build it into the design. So when I saw this set, I got really excited because it has a really nice variety and I like the variance in size. So you could do them individually or stack them up on top of each other. These would be pretty in white or vellum or really anything. So again, scrapbook.com brand. So these are just thin wafer dies. And I'm going to take one of these out a minute and see how it cuts so we can figure out our options. Bear with me just 1 minute here. Let me pull one of these off. On there really good. Okay, I'm going to run this through off screen and see how it cuts. Hang tight. Okay, so I ran this through and okay, so it does cut out this. So if you wanted to make like a shaker out of it, it would cut out the full background piece, right? And then you have the outline portion here. Hold it up to something white. You have the outline portion, and then you have all the little pieces parts. So you could obviously put the B. Hey, I lined that up really good. That's impressive. You got the B and the little R and the A. So some versatility here. So you could essentially, and maybe I'll demonstrate this in a future video. So you could cut this opening out of a top panel and put the plastic here for like a shaker. And then you could glue this back onto it so it's kind of floating on the clear plastic part, or maybe switch up the color. And then turn it into a shaker, or you could just use these obviously on their own, or you could just use these little letters and line them back up. And you can kind of use this as a template too on your card to make sure that it's lined up. So that's what I got, guys. Not a lot. Thank you again so much, Deb, for sending me that gift card. That was so thoughtful. I really appreciated getting that in my Christmas card from you. So thanks so much for sticking around, guys, and checking out my haul. I hope you're having a great week, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.